welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a trend that is taking social media by storm, the Google Gemini Nano AI Saree trend. This is a brand new AI magic where people are transforming their simple photos into stunning 1990s Bollywood-style saree looks, and it happens in just a few seconds. You've probably seen on Instagram and YouTube Shorts that people are posting photos of themselves wearing sarees with a vintage, glamorous feel. This trend uses AI tools to completely change a normal selfie into a retro look, with dramatic lighting, studio backgrounds and classic saree styles. The result looks exactly like a 90s Bollywood heroine, nostalgic and glamorous. So what exactly is this trend and how are people doing it? Google Gemini Nano is an AI model that can process both images and text. Using this, or similar AI apps like Picsart AI, Bing Image Creator or Adobe Firefly, people are transforming their selfies into saree looks. The most interesting part is that you simply upload a normal photo, and the AI recreates it in a saree style with a vintage studio background, just like old portrait or wedding photos. Let's look at the step-by-step process so you can try it too. Step 1. Prepare your photo. Take a clear, high-quality selfie where your face is clearly visible. Step 2. Choose an AI tool. Open Google Gemini Nano or any AI photo generator app like Picsart AI or Bing Image Creator. Step 3. Enter the prompt. Type something like, transform into a 1990s Bollywood heroine saree look with dramatic lighting and vintage studio background. Step 4. Generate. Upload your photo, click Generate, and let the AI process it. Step 5. Download and share. Save the output photo and share it on Instagram, WhatsApp or YouTube Shorts. Here are a few pro tips to get the perfect AI saree look. Always use a high-resolution photo. Take the photo in natural or bright lighting. Make sure your face is directly facing the camera and not blurry. When writing the prompt, clearly mention the saree style and background you want. Select the 90s theme or retro Bollywood option for the best effect. So friends, that's the Google Gemini Nano AI Saree trend. Try making your own retro heroine look and surprise your friends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like.